I walk through storms to find my place, a quiet heart, a soft embrace. Through shadows cast by fear and pain, I found the light that heals again. Space where I've belonged all along. The walls I built have learned to breathe. Through gentle grace I'm free to be. The past no longer holds its chain. The heart again.